Good afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day, and actually another month, as it is July 1st. So today for brunch, I am feeling like a bit of one of my noodle kits. This is one of the really simple ones. This is a pickled cabbage flavor, and basically it just comes with vermicelli noodles, some dehydrated vegetables, and a sauce pack. That's all that's in this one, and this is 370 calories for that little pack. Because this is a pickled cabbage flavor, I have some air-dried cabbage, which I'm going to add, and then some bella mushrooms. This is a pack of pickled radish. I have some green onions and some lime juice, and that'll be it. The only thing I need to do is cook the noodles and rehydrate the veggies. Welcome back for dinner. So I didn't really know what I wanted, but I think I just want some chicken and vegetables. So I have a couple of pieces of chicken breast. This is actually one breast that I had cut in to sections. This part is 3 ounces and that part is 6 ounces. So I have 9 ounces raw weight of chicken. And then I'm going to do a sweet potato. This is a 10-ounce sweet potato, and I have 1 wedge of Laughing Cow garlic and herb cheese. With the chicken, I'm going to do some basil pesto. Then I have some asparagus spears that I'm going to do with some lemon herb butter. And just as a tart element, I have some pickled onions that I made, so I'm going to use those.